Hello guys, we are playing Build with Friends.
Yo, hello guys, it's me and Justin. We're playing this game called Build with Friends. We are 1v1ing to make a house in this game. Let's start in
3, 2, 1.
Yo, Justin, you're in the red one and I'm in the blue one, okay?
Okay.
And let's go now. Let's start. Okay, now while Justin is thinking about an idea, let's make a super good house. We're gonna put a living room, the kitchen, and the bedroom. Okay, now we're using this gray block. We're gonna place it, so that's gonna be our house color. We only have 8 minutes to build our mansion. Let's tell Justin. Yo, Justin,
What, bro?
we only have 8 minutes to build our mansion.
Okay.
And the floor is some birch wood. But I think that's not a good idea because I'm gonna put birch wood as the wall. So if I put this, it might be looking ugly. So I'm gonna change it later. I think how many blocks we should put here. And then here again. And we're gonna put again the same. Let's repeat it to the other side. If you haven't watched our other videos, then please watch it. It's Saving Dino Kid in 99 Nights and 1 Block Movie. Thank you.
And please like and subscribe.
Yay, okay, now we're finished, guys. Let's put the walls. And some stairs. It's been 4 minutes. Okay, now I change the floor. Now let's place some glass blocks. And let's put the roof. Okay, now we're finished with the house. Now we just need to put some furniture. first, let's get the couch and the TV. Next, we're gonna make the kitchen, the fridge, and the counter, and the dining table. Okay, now we're gonna put some food in the dining table. Let's put some burgers, cakes, and some black cola, and some chicken, and some watermelon. Okay, now we're gonna make the bedroom. But there's no other space for the bedroom. Where should we put it? Let's move the couch a little. Okay, now we're gonna put the bunk bed here. And let's place the door. Okay, now I'm finished with my house. Justin is definitely gonna rate this a 10 out of 10, literally. Yo, Justin,
What, bro?
are you finished building your house?
I'm not done yet.
Okay, but the time is almost finished. Okay, now let's see our builds.
Go to my house.
Okay, I'm going in. I'm excited to see your house.
3, 2, 1.
Wow, this is so cool. But it's not finished yet.
Yeah.
Your house is cool, but it doesn't have the furniture yet. I'll rate it 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Don't look. 3, 2, 1. Is it
Wow.
cool?
Yeah. Wow, there's a TV and kitchen here. There's many food on the table.
Is it cool?
Yes. I'm gonna rate this house 11 out of 10.
Wow, that's a lot, Justin. Thank you very much. Unfortunately, guys, that's all we have on this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.